Okay, it's been a minute out here. I just want to talk about this year because this year has been amazing to say the least. Like, literally, this year has been one of the best years ever. One of. So I actually love everything that happened this year. This year started off being very bad, like very bad. Yeah, I remember I started off the year with the breakup, like do 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 do. Last night, everybody go to breakfast. Yeah, so that was what I started this year with, and that was very depressing at first, but I'm glad I actually went through that phase, and I'm very much over it. This year, I've met amazing people. I've met someone amazing too. Yeah, and yeah, I've met different amazing people, from the clients to every single person I've met this year. I really want to say thank you. You lot have been amazing. You guys have actually like impacted in me either in a positive way or not so good ways. And yeah, to the people I had to like save a little bit of my savagery. Cheers to you guys too. Yeah, cause yeah, you can't always have the nice team every time. That's for sure. So yeah, this year has been good. I'm just here just to be grateful really about everything that's happened this year. Um, this year also I know I've made money. Yeah, I've made money this year. I've made money and I've spent money. So don't come to my DMs and ask me for money. Cause trust me, as a creative, we always have that 0.000 naira. We get the money, we invest it back into the business. That's the sad truth. Like literally, I should be on a yacht somewhere in Dubai shaking my ass right now. You get me, with some tongues and some G strings. You get me. But unfortunately, you see, this life got me. This life right here got me. And yeah, I'm actually very grateful. Even though I had amazing plans for this year, this 2022. Some plans actually worked out, some didn't. I'm not faulting myself, or I'm not beating myself up for the ones that didn't work out. But yeah, it is what it is. Also grateful for the fact that I could open my studio. Yay! Yeah, I got to like open my first ever studio in London after shooting for so long in my room. Yeah, in the space right here. I was shooting in my room for some time. I was shooting in a friend's studio for some time, which I actually appreciate him for. Um, yeah, I've shot everywhere I needed to shoot, but like yeah, it's just it's all progress. I see everything as progress, which is very very like interesting and amazing to me, because like when you sit back and you look back and you be like, oh my god, like literally I started this whole photography journey from absolutely nothing, like probably with 50,000 naira, which is conversion to pounds right now should be maybe 50 pounds. I guess. So yeah, that was how I started my photography journey, and right now it's way more than that, which I actually bless God for. And yeah, this year has really been about growth for me, and I really do appreciate that. Like, I love every single person that has actually booked me, giving me or had in money to like, you know, pay me for my art. And the people that didn't book, not just make inquiries. I hope you come back next year and you can be able to afford the price too. I pray for you to be able to afford it in Jesus' name. So yeah, guys, I'm just here tonight to just say thank you for 2022. I made a resolution for 2022. This one I'm going to say, in which I said I was going to be consistent on YouTube, but I started being consistent early during the year, but it got to a point in which I was just less consistent. But I'm not going to fault nobody. It's my fault. I guess I became lazy, but that commitment wasn't actually. this is recording. So everybody have this problem like me too, trying to make sure if they are recording or not. So guys, I wished I actually like made the mark or the thingy I wanted for my YouTube channel, but I couldn't. Well, next year is another year. I have to try again. Everything doesn't always work as planned or doesn't always go as planned, but can always just try again, and that's what I'll be doing next year. And I think my plan for next year about this channel is totally different. I think I'm in a different space. Let's just watch out, let's see how that's going to turn out. But yeah, it's been good. So I just want to say thank you all my subscribers, thank you to non-subscribers, thank you guys for sticking around and watching and listening to my BS that I always say every time. And yeah, I hope I can bring good and amazing content to you guys next year, and just stay positive, because whatever you're looking for, you're gonna find it if you just stay persistent. That's the same word to myself, because persistent, if you stay consistent. Or shit, English is always my problem, guys. Stay consistent, guys. That would have actually been a very nice quote if it had been like, oh yeah, so but anyways, guys, stay consistent, always create, be a creative. I'll see you guys on the next video. Ciao.